love, repeat. Good to be back again. One more trip this season is planned, and I already preparing the car for the Lahti, for the Fitted Fest. This will be my kind of first bigger event this summer where I will participate in the expo, so my car is chosen to be a part of the event. I'm really happy, thanks Fitted Fest to choosing my car. Some parts were not installed, so no center locks for me this time, but I will definitely prepare for the next season, for the Ultra Race and for the Fitted Fest. These will be my next season target events, so I will definitely try to make it to them. Everything is getting ready. I'm working on the windshield, applying anti-rain because forecast for the rain. And this time I'm going to trip with my buddy who was always wondering, it's super nice to have a straight piped car. There's no problem with the noise, it's just a straight pipe. What can happen? So this will be also his knowledge about straight pipe car and long distance trip. Will he survive or he will ask for earplugs? So I will be ready. I will have earplugs, AirPods, and of course silencer. So let's see how the trip will go. But now get comfy, grab a snack and enjoy the video. Alright, good morning. So it's time to depart to Finland. I'm on my way to pick my buddy and I hope for a great 4-hour drive. So here's the passenger princess ready to rock. And it's time for morning essentials, coffee. Gas is already filled in, so let's drive for the coffee and then straight to Tallinn. Passenger princess alive. We made it to Tallinn. A real quick stop at the grocery store, grab something to eat on the ferry, maybe at the Airbnb, then maybe meet a friend. And then it's time to board the ferry, 2 hours 15 minutes in the waters, and then we'll be at the Helsinki where my follower will meet us, and then we will roll 2 944s to the Lahti. Let's go for shopping and then move to a terminal. Alright, it's KFC time because we are on the run. We need to be at the terminal actually right now, but we are running a bit late, let's say. Grocery shopping done. We got some Hot Wheels also, and I got the Porsches and some Hondas. We are in the terminal. It's time to eat some KFC. We are in a waiting line to put the car on the ferry and then sail to Helsinki. Let's eat quick lunch and then I hope the line will start to move. Finally we found a place where to drop our asses in some bean bags on the deck with some sunshine. I don't see anything. There's still 1 hour or something till Helsinki. Our sail comes to an end in a couple minutes. Exactly in 15 we should dock in Helsinki. Guy from Finland is waiting us, so he will kind of guide us through the city to Lahti, and then we will, I think, check in at first, and then after the check-in we'll go maybe explore some city, do some cruise around and so on, maybe find some other guys, and then it's time to put car at Expo. Then it's free time, we'll see what we plan to do. Alright, we just unloaded from the boat and a new friend from Finland meet us here with his stunning Porsche 944 Turbo. So now we will plan to go straight to the Lahti, and then we'll see what we will do there. Or we will check into Airbnb, or we will cruise around. Let's see. Mikko, couple of words.
No words, just hit the road, Jack.
So let's roll. A little bit of work. Finally we are on the move to a venue. Actually the first full stop at our apartments, drop the luggage, and only then we will move to Expo Zone. It took some time for car washes. Even with a totally washed car we need to wash it again, apply some coats and so on. Now a couple minutes, like 10-20 minutes till our apartment, and then straight to venue. Alright, so we arrived. We will do a quick prep of the car. Unfortunately, we are running out of the batteries. We'll show you tomorrow what's going on during the daylight. Alright, it's past midnight. We just came to our apartments, ate McDonald's, was riding a bike pretty far away from the home. Actually really cool thing that you just tap a bicycle with your card, jump on it, ride, then tap again and pay. My phone was actually on a 1% and I almost missed the chance to pay. The venue is awesome, the vibe at the evening was awesome. I met Latvians, got a really nice welcome pack from Fitted Fest. Thanks to them, I really appreciate it. It's such a welcoming gift. Now it's a quick shower and straight to the bed. See you tomorrow. wrap of the Fitted Fest rollout is starting. The gate is behind our car. We need to be in time for the ferry. Also rain is coming, so we would like to be clean and not wet, and roll with our guide, roll with everyone to Helsinki. Thanks to the hosts, thanks to Nico. We made friends here in Finland. It's time to prepare for the next year. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.